At Master, our air compressors power industries worldwide. Let's explore their essential applications and how they keep the world moving. Compressed air is used to blast dirt and dust off equipment and products during or after assembly. It is also effective for cleaning assembly surfaces and other areas prone to dust accumulation. Air compressors power pneumatic tools, which are widely used in construction, manufacturing, and racetracks, providing consistent and reliable air streams for efficient operation. In the food and beverage industry, compressed air ensures precision and hygiene during the filling and capping processes. It also plays an important role in fermentation, making it an integral part of production. In painting applications, air compressors power airbrushes that deliver precise and consistent results, making them indispensable in industries like automotive bodywork. In transportation, air compressors drive pneumatic systems that efficiently move items of all sizes, from small packages to massive vehicles and palletized goods. In production services, compressed air powers conveyor belts, clamps, and other machinery. These systems can be customized to meet the unique needs of various manufacturing processes. Master is your trusted energy solution. Visit our website for more information, or call us at +1 647 363 5872.